Somaliland wants independence. President Musa Bihi is very positive about the MOU. Ethiopia wants not just sea access, wants Red Sea access, and has stated that they want to...
And every time they call for independence, they refer to the fact that they were a British colony.
Yeah, but they're not a British colony anymore, right? So, you know, the government, I think the federal government of Somalia understands very well the equities that the UK has in this region, right? We are in Somaliland because we have a long-standing relationship with that region, and we have significant interests. You know, you only have to look at the UK diaspora to see that Somalia and Somaliland is reflected in the UK in the scale of the diaspora. So that is not going to change. The key is for me to be able to do that in a transparent, open way and properly brief people about what I'm doing and what I'm saying. And I think the UK is not involved in a negotiation between Somalia and Ethiopia or Somalia and Somaliland. That is first and foremost for the elected representatives of those areas. But we are very supportive and very interested in what is happening, and anything we can do behind the scenes to move things peacefully forward is really important, because you know that Ethiopia has, you know, a stake in Somalia's security and future through its representation on ATMIS across different regions of the country. There's a lot at stake.